vieja copuchenta. Good job, Ruby.
Did you get that? Okay, I couldn't make it.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Bị áp lực quá thì thôi bây giờ đi cưng ơi. Bây giờ là đi du lịch cho khuây khỏa đi.
Wipe your feet.
Don't just stay where you are. This is important. That's really important. Oh no!
Need to give you your eye drops.
Joey! Joey, want some bacon? Oh, bacon. Joey, you want some bacon? Joey!
How scared she must have felt in those final moments. How she probably died feeling like she was alone or unloved. You have traumatized so many of us. The children are not able to sleep.
Yes.
I think I like this little laugh.
What do you have to say, Pee-Pee? What is it? What the fuck? What was that?
Good man. Good man. You're a good boy.
Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Oh.
Why do I gotta move it? Let him do it.
Gentle, Otto. He got your sock.
I got dog food for you. Yep.
Do you think you're in the mood for a walk? Are you in the mood for a walkie?
I said call him.
Ready?
You don't want that?
He hates me, but he wants me to help him up. Let's go up. Oh, he don't want to. Wait, let me see. Wait. Hey. Hey. Oh, no! Chill. We're going to go play.
No, okay. Don't cover your head. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Night-night. Night-night.
You go straight on, mate. You go straight on. You're doing a good job. That's a good well done. Good boy.
Archie.
Did you get the trash? Did you?
This.
You want this cheese full?
Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
Oh, all right. Sarge, come here.
Are you stuck behind the door? Here you go. Never fail. Oh my god. Burger. Hi, baby.
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
And the grass is soaking wet. You can't get around. He doesn't know what to do. Oh.
Now, football, come on, baby. What are you doing? Where you going, huh? Oh, what the? Hey, Bubba.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
You want pets? What happens if I pet your brother? Give you pets?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Ai, meu Deus, tem que rir da situação dela.
You not running up on nobody, Diamond. I know you want to fight him, okay? Diamond! Diamond!
Sir, I don't think this is what they meant by cattle dog. They use a carnivore. You're not supposed to be an herbivore.
Nina, ¿lo puedo tocar? ¡Eso no es tuyo!
Lo puedo tocar. Nina, eso no es tuyo. Nina, lo puedo tocar. ¡Ay!
Bang. Good boy.
Por acá, más fácil.
Ahí, cabrón. Mira nomás. Mira.
Oh.
Sorry, bro.
Bro.
1, 2, 3.
Todo pendejo ni puedes pasar. Harap tap ta taribirabiri tararim tap dum dum dem da yo narami tap ta.
Just cooking dinner, just happened to walk by and... Get off of there! Ace! Why?
Maddie, don't bite Dad.
That is not nice.
Let me try.
Shake it, Molly. Shake the bag, girl.
Says even the naughty deserve something nice.
All I'm saying is let's not rush to execute our friends. Please hurry, please.
What? Hello, man.
Oh, you okay? I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, I'm so
Dazzy! Look, Dazzy's eating the carrot! Oh no!
Well, with some arms, Elsie.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I said paper. Ah, cool. That's cool. Don't worry, it's recorded. The paper's still
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even hear the house, right?
You're funny, Sammy. Funny, Sammy.
Here's a view from the other side. What are you guys doing?
Who do we have here? Let me see. Give me paw. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Let me wait. Is that your camera smile?
Okay? Okay, Daddy. No. Honey! Now count to 10.
All the way in. All the way in. Come on. All the way. All the way. All the way. Good boy.
Se cayó. Fíjate.
¿Qué pasó?
Se cayó.
Yeah. Mama has your bed up there for a reason. No, 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 no.
But I am telling you right now, that back there is not real.
I think given the preparation we had to be great.